Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and raise your hand if you absolutely hate vacuuming. I have to put my hand down now because I realized with this stick vacuum from BuTure, I don't hate the vacuuming, I hate the cord. The unwrapping and rewrapping, plugging in, unplugging, finding an outlet is really what held me back from vacuuming. But with this stick vacuum from BuTure, I realized that I can get the job done very quickly with very little hassle. The vacuum itself is very lightweight, so it makes little jobs easy. With the 3 different power settings, I can pick up anything. I'm so excited about this vacuum that I have literally vacuumed the house every day this week. But because I don't have to fumble with a cord and it's so lightweight, I only have to do about 5 to 7 minutes. Another task that I was really putting off for way too long was cleaning my car out because I didn't want to have to deal with lugging an entire vacuum with an extension cord out to the street to clean the car. But with the stick vacuum, it was so easy. I was even able to get my dog's hair out of the carpet with the carpet brush attachment and all of the dirt from the pallets that I was lugging around off the back of my seats. The attachments change out so quickly and easily that any job is a breeze with this stick vacuum. We don't need any more reason to not want to vacuum. Cut the cord, grab this stick vacuum from BuTure, and make your life so much easier. And that's my point of view.